Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your local music files to Apple Music so you can enjoy them right alongside your streaming tracks. Whether you've got a collection of songs on your computer or an old playlist, I'll walk you through the process. Let's get started. First things first, open Apple Music on your computer. If you're using a Mac, you'll need to open the Music app. For Windows, you'll open iTunes. Now let's add your local music files to Apple Music. Click on File on the top menu bar. Then select Import. From here, browse to the folder where your local music file is stored. You can select individual files or entire folders. And hit Open to import. To check if your file has been imported, you may click on Recently Added, and you can see the uploaded file here. You may click on it to play it. And that's how you add local files to Apple Music. And that's it. You've successfully added your local music file to Apple Music. Now you can enjoy both your favorite downloaded songs and your streaming library in one place. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy listening!